What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on today. This one's actually one of my car dealership accounts. It's a used car. I'll show you what we have. It's a 2020 Chevy Traverse, and you can see there's some rough spots on it, some scrapes and little gouges, little dent on the door there on this quarter panel, a bigger one here on the quarter panel, actually all around the car, the other side, but you can see here too on the fender we have something right there. So we're gonna just go around the car for the dealership, clean it up for them. Again, they're not looking for perfection, they just want the car looking a lot cleaner so they could get it out on the lot and get it sold. So we're gonna probably just do the video more so on this quarter panel. The bigger stuff we'll get in there. We're gonna pop a hole in the door jamb part. Again, it's a used vehicle, they just want it on the lot. We're doing this kind of quick, cheaper for them, so it could get sold. But we'll take you along with us as we normally do, get going on this thing and see how it turns out. Let's do it. All right, we are finished up with this quarter panel. It came out really nice. Again, it might not be perfect, but as I mentioned, it's for a dealership. We're just making it look good so it can get out on the lot and get sold. But it does look good. It came out nice. I'll show you the results. You can see that one that was closer to this door here, it came out nice. And that one on the back here, that bigger one, that came out nice as well. As you saw in the video, I popped a little hole in that door jamb, and that one closer to the door we worked with the rubber tip. Just took that slow, worked out all the deepness, and it came up nice. That one in the back further, the bigger one, put a little cold glue on that, did a nice pull, popped a lot of it out. And then we got in there with a metal rod and just fine-tuned everything, you know, the little waves and shimmers, and kind of made that all disappear. So we'll keep going on this. We'll jump on this back door now and do this fender, and we'll take you along with us. Keep going and get this thing done. Let's do it. We are all finished up with this vehicle. I didn't get too much video of me working the other side. They were all little tiny dents here and there. Would have been kind of boring to watch, but actually this whole video might be a little boring. It's different doing car dealership work than private individuals. With car dealerships, you know, you kind of have an arrangement of pricing and, you know, expectations of what they want to see out of the job. And I mentioned this before, that all depends on you if you want to take those kind of jobs on. You know, not that you're not doing the job right, but you might not be putting all the effort you could possibly put into it like you do with private individuals. Again, it came out nice, as you saw. I'll show you it again. You could see the quarter came out good. The back door, again, it might not be perfect, but you saw there was a big crease there. That's out there. And that fender here, little paint damage there and everything, but that came out as well. So the dealer is going to be really happy with that. You know, the car looks good to get it on the lot and sold. With a private individual, you know, you might have to spend a little more time fine-tuning and making it perfect, because they'll be a little more picky because it's their vehicle. But this car is done. Again, hopefully you guys like this video. I don't know if this one's going to be boring or not, but you know, we did some bigger stuff and some different techniques, so hopefully you enjoyed it. But we'll move on to the next one, and we'll catch you next time.